Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a massive clean with me. My house is a total disaster. We've all been sick. I have the flu, and my husband and the kids each have like a cold / virus. We all got tested for COVID. We don't have it, we're good, but I obviously have the flu and everyone else is just sick, but we're finally feeling somewhat better today. So we've kept the kids home. The kids really weren't that sick. They just kind of had like runny noses and things like that. But my husband and I were kind of like down and out. So they're like wild. They're starting to get stir crazy. They're in the background right now if you can hear them. But I just need to clean my house. Like, I'll show you how bad it is. Like, we've kept up on laundry. We've kept up on dishes, which was good. But I need to like just clean my house. Like, we need to change the sheets. We need to wash the comforters. We need to vacuum. We need to like disinfect everything. Like, I could feel my face. Like, I'm like disgusted by my house right now. But let me give you a little walk around and show you how bad it is. I still feel kind of yucky. I got our Christmas cards done and all mailed out this morning, but that's the only thing productive that I've really done today, besides laying in bed, and we're binge watching This Is Us. We're new to this show. We're on the season 3, but like, I know we're late to the game, but my God, I love this show. So we are going to just kind of reset everything in the house. Like, I have a bunch of organizing to do, but I don't think I'm gonna get into any of that or like start any projects, because I know I'm gonna probably like fade and not feel good in a few hours. So this will probably take me 2 days, but we'll see. Let me show you what we're working with and the mess. So we got Miss Macy. Hi. Has this been your favorite spot? Next to me while I'm laying in bed? Huh? So we just have like cups and crackers and water bottles, and I have a book, actually, my planner, that I wrote down all of the stuff that I want to do. So we need to just clean up all of this stuff and disinfect the remotes, change the sheets. We got more water bottles over there. That's clean laundry that just needs to get put away. Kids. Leighton's room's pretty good. Just kind of have some random things on the floor, toys and stuff, but not bad. Everyone else's children leave every single drawer that they own half open with crap sticking out of it. Probably because they're too much stuff, but anyway, that's not too bad. Just a little straightening up, which they will do. My son has some laundry to put away and just some water bottles and things like that to neaten up in here. He uses that little desk for schoolwork, so he's been doing his remote learning. And then we want to clean the bathrooms, which God knows what in here looks like. I'm sure there's a mountain. Oh, there it is, of toothpaste. You and your mountain of toothpaste, girl. Always. Yeah, always, always, always. The kitchen, I went and got supplies, so we have like extra stuff in here, tissues and crackers and soup and things like that. And then this is where I was writing out all the Christmas cards, so that's a mess. And then the kitchen's, like I said, it's not too bad. Just stuff everywhere. Hi, Austin. And out here is not bad because we really haven't been out here at all. I'm gonna first start by stripping our bed and getting those sheets in the wash and just doing, actually no, I'm gonna put our comforter in first. I'm gonna wash our comforter and then I am going to wash our sheets, but I'm just gonna switch out all the sheets. So let's get started.
It starts with a look, all that it took. I feel like I had too much champagne. It starts with a touch, I'm lost in the rush. Boy, you're like bubbles in my brain. You're under my skin, I'm drinking you in like I can't get enough champagne. Our bodies are close, need a heavier dose. You're like bubbles in my brain. Brain. play it again. You give me one look, and baby, I'm shook. You're like whiskey in my veins. So roll it around, getting lost in the sounds. Your love intoxicates. Morning will come, and I'm sobering up, but I still got you on my brain. I'm laying in bed with the pain in my head. Think I had too much champagne. Too much champagne. Oh, where do the evenings go? Bathing in the glow. You go to my head. I wanna play it again. You go to my head. Wanna play it again and again. Come, let's sip the evening slow. We're bathing in the glow. You go to my head. I wanna play it again. You go to my head. I wanna play it. I wanna play it again.
It's the time, it's the season for you to come home to me, come back home to me. No pressure, there's no reason other than I want to see just what you do to me. Bring a smile, bring me out of myself. Bring me to the edge till I hold my breath and say, it's the time, it's the season for you to run right through me. I love how you move me around, around, around. Move me around, around, around. Everyone can see how I feel about you. Everyone can hear when you're near. I can never stay cool. When you come around, it's so clear. I'm the color.
Alright, so I got the living room and the kitchen cleaned up. And now I'm just going around the house and I'm going to take Clorox wipes and I'm just going to clean all the knobs. And I'm going to clean all the remotes. I did the kitchen and all of that, and then I'm going to switch over the laundry. I already took a little break. After I did the sheets, made the bed, and cleaned up the kitchen, I took a break. I did a little Christmas shopping for my phone, and that's it. I'm just so tired. I'm so tired, but I just want to get these few things done so I can feel better. Like, I just felt yucky sleeping in the sheets. Like, I just changed them last week, but usually I change them on Monday, and because we were all sick, I was like, there's no point. Like, and I didn't feel like doing it, so I just wanted to get that done, and I want to put the laundry away, just kind of get back to a little bit of normalcy. So let's disinfect.
yourself and over the edge till I almost lose and then just catch my breath.
is it. I got everything on my list done. I didn't like deep clean everything. Like tomorrow I need to, I'm ready for a nap. Oh my God, steam up. Here we go. I need to steam up the floors tomorrow, but I vacuumed everywhere. I Lysoled everything. I cleaned our remotes. I washed our sheets and our comforter, doing laundry. I put the laundry away in my bedroom. My camera battery actually died while I was doing that, so you didn't get to see that, but it was nothing exciting. It was me just putting those clothes away. But with Christmas coming, and I just feel very overwhelmed with the amount of things that we have. When I turned 30, right before I turned 30, I went through and we were legit, okay, I can't say legit, but we were minimalist. Like, I had very little of everything, and I did really well with it for a long time. And now we're back to maximalists. The Jordan Page word. She says she is a maximalist and loves it. And it like stresses me out. Like, you just have shit everywhere. Like, I can't. Like, my kids have too much stuff. So, and it's just like, it's everywhere, and like, we need to downsize. We need to downsize our clothes is number one. We need to downsize our stuff. Like, toys, bags, coats. Like, like my kids have like 4 coats. Like, why? They don't need 4 coats. They need 1 coat, maybe 2, in case one gets like, I don't know. 1 coat is sufficient, but the crazy part of me, I'm like so in between with that stuff. Like, I want to have multiples of things, but I like want to have 2 of everything, and that's it. So I'm going to be starting a decluttering series on my channel, and I'm going to just start room by room, slowly but surely. Like, my kids' rooms really need to get done. They just, I didn't show it on my channel, but they just all got their own rooms. So their closet situations are still a mess. Like, we're waiting on some furniture and things like that. So once they get their dressers and all that stuff in order, like, their closets need to be redone, all of that. So my closet is gonna get redone. My dressers need to all be gone through. We just need to downsize and declutter. But thank you for coming to my TED Talk about being organized and being minimalist, but we need to get better at that big time. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's just this time of year, everyone gets sick, and I'm going to make like a little checklist in the description box, so you can kind of copy it and paste it and highlight it somewhere else to have your own little checklist. I don't know how to make a PDF. I could probably work on that, but for now I'll just have everything linked below of like what I wrote down to kind of clean your house after the flu and sickness. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.